Hello students, the experiment that we are going to perform today is to study the characteristics of a photovoltaic cell, that is a solar cell. To start with, what is a photovoltaic cell? A photovoltaic cell is a true type of cell which generates its own EMF. EMF is the electromotive force. It requires no battery to operate it. The figure being shown to you is a photovoltaic cell, that is a solar cell. To start with, it consists of a layer of semiconductor material spread over a metallic surface by heat treatment. So this is your selenium, this is your semiconductor, and it is spread over this nickel plated iron base. On the other side of the semiconductor is a very thin layer of translucent deposit of gold, silver and or platinum in the form of a surface film. This is a very thin layer of silver here being shown to you. This surface film allows the surface of the semiconductor to be illuminated by radiation. Now coming on to the apparatus. This is a simple apparatus consisting of a solar cell. This is a solar cell. This is a light source by which we impart light on this solar cell like this. This is a voltmeter, this is a milliammeter, and this is the load resistance load we can call it, and we can vary the values of this resistance from 50 ohms to 1000 ohms. Now let's discuss the connections first. First of all, the positive terminal of this solar cell, is connected to the positive terminal of this milliammeter, and the negative terminal of this milliammeter is connected to one end of this resistance load. Now the another end of this resistance load is connected to the negative terminal of the solar cell. Once this is connected, then it is simple. We just have to connect the negative terminal of this voltmeter to this negative terminal of this solar cell, and positive terminal of this voltmeter to the positive terminal of this solar cell. Once the connections are done, we'll just switch it on to see if we have put the connections right. As we switch it on, we can just see at minimum resistance, that is 50 ohms, we have the value of current as 50 microamperes. Here from selector switch we have selected the 20 microamperes, and from the voltage selector switch we have selected the 2 volt DC. Now at minimum resistance, that is 50 ohms, the value for current is 50 microamperes, and the value for voltage is very minimum. Let's see, we can say it a bit above 0, that is 0.01 volts. Now for the experimental readings, we'll just keep on increasing the values of this load resistance, and we'll keep noting down the value of current and voltage corresponding to that particular resistance. We are going to put on to 250 ohms, then 500 ohms, then 1 kilo ohm, then 3 kilo ohms, then 5 kilo ohms, and then 10 kilo ohms. Now as we can see on the screen, as we increase the resistance, the value of current is decreasing and the value of voltage is increasing. We have to note it down on the observation table.